Welcome to ODeX, a unified platform revolutionizing maritime trade. From seamless document management to streamlined inter-organizational workflows, robust government compliance tools, and integrated payment solutions, we've crafted a single digital ecosystem that empowers your business to navigate the complexities of global shipping with unparalleled ease and efficiency. This user guide explains the step-by-step process of how BL Dashboard tracks BLs across multiple stages on ODeX. Log on to online.odexglobal.com. Once logged in, the BL Dashboard will greet users with a list of BLs, including consignee and delegation details. This will serve as the default landing page upon login to ODeX. Customers can conveniently track their shipments through various means, including the BL number, container number, shipment number, vessel name, voyage number, or invoice number. The icon adjacent to the BL number offers additional details about the respective bill of lading. Upon clicking the icon, you will discover crucial details like bill of lading information, party details, vessel details, and container details presented on your screen for quick and easy access. On clicking the BL number hyperlink, you will be able to view related events such as invoices, instructions, and liner release, along with their respective status displayed on the screen. You can further access information on the BL detail screen. Instructions. Upon clicking on the plus instruct icon, customer can raise instruction requests example, logistics partner delegation, invoice instruction, pickup instruction, carrier haulage instruction, and container release request. Options available under plus instruct icon may differ according to the region. Sorting and filtering enable you to organize and find the entries. Use sort to sort columns in ascending or descending order and filter to search for specific information. You can also extract the BL dashboard information into an Excel format by clicking the CSV button on the upper right. Users can customize their BL dashboard view by clicking the settings icon. Users can select fields and set their sequence on the BL dashboard. The new button enables you to name a new filter, as shown. Important note: the customer can customize the below setting to set the BL dashboard view. This setting can be private to an individual or same can be shared with all. Select Choose View to change the filter after defining and saving it. Edit or delete saved filters by selecting Edit or Remove. This completes the end-to-end overview of BL Dashboard. Simplify and streamline global shipping. Start your ODeX journey now.